Hi friends, I am Coderboy. In the last video, we learned what Python is. Today, we will open our code editor. A code editor is a special place on a computer where we write our code. First, we go to this website. I will put the link in the description box also. Now click this button that says Open the Python editor. And here we are. This is our Python editor. Our editor has three parts. Let's look at each one. First, the code area. This is the white box on the left. This is where we write our Python code. We already have 3 lines of code here. Next, the output panel. This is the dark box on the right. This is where Python shows us what our code does. Finally, the run button. It is the button at the bottom right here. When we click this, Python runs our code. Let's click run and we can see our output appear in this box. That's it for now. In next video, we will learn what a program really is. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.